Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great. Hope you're having a great weekend, and welcome to this new video on Bonk. All right, wanted to do a quick update here. I think in general earlier this morning, and I already probably you did not watch my video on Pepe, but I already talked about it there a little bit as well. In that I actually do think, like earlier this morning and also yesterday a little bit, you saw some strength with memes, all right? And then obviously in these market situations or in these circumstances, where I think the market right now, at least short term, is very, very weak, the strength of meme coins depends a lot on Bitcoin, all right? So that's what you need to know in general. The volume for Bitcoin is very, very low, so we'll see a lot of volatility. So trading meme coins right now, I think is a very risky endeavor, and that's what you should know. However, I do think that some meme coins here, like Pepe, actually got some nice bids and some nice positions being opened earlier this night, earlier today. So, and Bonk is actually, like, there's multiple things I like about Bonk as well. First of all, us being at a significant support level right here, at 2000 here, as you can see historically. Very strong support level. We have never, every time it counted as support, we've never not gotten some support from there initially, right? So even right here, the 10th of April, when we were very bearish because of all the political news, etc., even then, we actually did find some support first before absolutely crashing down below it. So yeah, I actually do think that that's very relevant. And then apart from that, look, you have to wait for what Bitcoin does. But I actually do think that with the reclaim we had on 64,000 here, and with in general some of the positions that were opened in the last 48 hours, I'm slightly optimistic about Bitcoin. And there are some other reversal patterns as well. So Bitcoin being bullish and being slightly bullish on Bitcoin means I also have to be slightly bullish on Bonk, which is, by the way, after finding support at that significant support level, is also forming some sort of a bullish market structure here, or price structure, I should say. Now, if we look at the order flow for Bonk, I think that's necessary as well. What you saw with Pepe is that over last night, some nice positions were opened, and with Bonk that is kind of the same. But you really saw, like yesterday, Bonk was gaining a lot of momentum here, and then we lost all of that throughout the day. And then earlier this night we got some new positions again, but some of them have also been closed already. So, like, Bonk is really, even though on the short term it's maybe forming some sort of a bullish price structure here, like I said. Oh, that's very beautifully drawn. Even though that's the case, I think it's not, like, Bonk doesn't have momentum yet. So if you really want to long this, I would wait for two things, because I do think long is the, like as long as we're holding 2000 as a support, going long is by far the best decision on Bonk. But going long right now is just gambling, because there's no technical confirmation from Bonk. You would need to see a breakout above 2150. There's no momentum behind Bonk. The open interest is still relatively low, and Bitcoin still has to find some sort of a real direction. So those are the three key things to look at. But given the fact that I think this support, like historically, this support level has always provided support. So thinking about that, and then also me being slightly bullish on Bitcoin, I have to tell you that I think it's most likely that we will get some bullish momentum. I just think that if you want to act on this, if you want to trade this, you need more confirmation. Otherwise, like right now, it's just based on what I think is most likely. It's not based on any specific trade with enough confirmations, because that's what you need for a good trade, confirmations. And those are not here yet. If Bitcoin becomes very bearish in the next 24 hours, it's a possibility. We've seen it in the last couple of weeks. Then Bonk can just break down below 2000 and turn bearish. So be careful for now. All right. I'm bullish. I think bullish is the most likely direction. But that is not a reason to become reckless. But those are my thoughts. That's what I think you need to know. If you do have any questions, let me know down in the comments. For now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.